Scoda Tubes IPO allotment update. A step-by-step guide to check status online. No latest GMP Scoda Tubes IPO allotment status. The Scoda Tubes IPO allotment is set to be finalized today, June 2nd, in the evening. Once allotted, investors will start received bank debit messages. They can also check the allotment status online on the websites of BSE and NSE, as well as on Registrar Link in Times portal. Hey, race the latest GMP, as well as a step-by-step guide to check allotment status. The Scoda Tubes IPO was open for public subscription between May 28 and May 30. Also read Leela Hotels shares list at 6.6 discount, recover sharply should you buy, hold, or sell in the final day of bidding on Friday. The Rs 220 CRORE Scoda Tubes IPO received a 57.37 times subscription, garnering bids for 63,11,22,300 shares as against 1,10,00,086 shares on offer. The retail and NII participation stood at 20.89 times and 121.72 times, respectively. Its qualified institutional buyer QIB category got a 72.97 times subscription, according to data from exchanges. A step-by-step guide to check allotment status. The Scoda Tubes IPO allotment will take place on Monday, June 2nd. The IPO allotment status can be checked online by following these steps. 1. Go to the official BSE website via the URL https://www.psaindia.com investorsaply_check.aspx. 2. Under issue type, select equity. 3. Under issue name, select Scoda Tubes Ltd. In the Dropbox. 4. Enter your application number, or the permanent account number PAN. 5. Then, click on the I am not a robot to verify yourself and hit the search option. Your share application status will appear on your screen. You can also visit directly on the Registrar Link in Times portal hpsin.mpms.mufg.commercial_offer publicishes.html and check the Scoda Tubes IPO allotment status. The allotment status can also be checked on the NSE's website at https://www.nsaindia.com invest check trades bids verify bids. Scoda Tubes IPO GMP today. According to various observers tracking GMP of Scoda Tubes Ltd, the current grey market premium of Scoda Tubes is now 13.57% based on the upper IPO price of 159, indicating listing gains for investors. The shares of Scoda Tubes Ltd are scheduled to be listed on BSE and NSE on June 4, 2025. Scoda Tubes IPO. More details. The Scoda Tubes IPO was open for public subscription between May 28 and May 30. Also read Aegis Vopax shares make week debut at 6 discount to Rs 220 should you buy, hold, or sell. The company raised Rs 66 crore from anchor investors ahead of the IPO. The Gujarat-based company's IPO is entirely a fresh issue of equity shares, aggregating up to Rs 220 crore with no offer for sale OFS component. The issue, with a price band of Rs 130,140 per share, will conclude on May 30. Proceeds of the issue will be used to expand the production capacity of seamless and welded tubes and pipes, working capital requirements and general corporate purposes. Swipe left for next video. Scoda Tubes is a stainless steel tubes and pipes manufacturer, catering to a diverse range of customers like EPC and industrial companies engaged in oil and gas, chemicals, fertilizers, power, etc. Monarch Net Worth Capital is the book running lead manager to the IPO. Latest blogs.